Ready?
No. I'm never ready.
Bullshit.
Tighten it up a little more.
President Sam on with it.
Tighten it up a little more. Give a little more.
Keep it in gear.
Look, even these people like.
That man has
There he is.
lost
He's getting
his
tied up. There it is.
mind.
There it is. Right
Go.
now. Go.
Oh my God.
Look! Oh!
You're going to drop one too. Go.
I can't believe he got up.
I can't
Look,
believe it
he's
got
still going.
He is bad, ain't it?
The neighbors are cheering too.
Look, where's this ski at? Drop it. Drop it. Drop it right there. Turn it around. That's what it's saying. Turn the thing around. I got a damn...
Yeah, he wants to do it in front of the dock.
Look, this is like the snap time symbol.
Me got look.
And then it just stops.
She goofed it pretty good too. Jerked his ass up.
Hey.
Oh, he's
on it.
Hey man, you know the hardest part about water skiing?
You from Duck Dynasty?
You know the hardest part about water skiing? Tell your parents you're gay.